الحجاب انتي لابسة حرام والله.
Oh, you remembered it! Yeah. That's really good. Hi guys! We are back with part 2, as promised, of this language kind of thing that we said we wanted to do for ages. And in this video, Sid is going to teach me some of his second language, which is Pashto.
Yeah, and it really is a second, third, fourth, fifth language because I don't know any of it.
Well, it's just like me with Arabic, really. We're not that great at it. We should really improve, but...
Pashto.
Pashto.
Then you are.
Arabi.
Arabi.
Look at this rose just sticking out my head.
Wow, that looks so Tumblr.
Ooh, it does. Okay, let's just do the basics because I literally, at least you've got a bit of inkling of Arabic. I've got nothing with Pashto.
Okay, numbers. Shall we go numbers?
Let's go numbers. Go
okay.
on.
Yo.
Yo.
Yeah.
You're lying.
No, I swear to God.
Don't be trolling me. No.
Yo.
Yo.
Dwa. Two is dwa.
Dwa.
Dre.
Dre.
Salor.
Salor.
Pinza.
Pinza.
Spug.
Wait, spug.
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 Ua.
Ua.
Ata.
You're lying. You're trolling me. You're trolling the shit out of me, aren't you?
No, I'm not.
Say wallahi, this is number.
Wallahi, this is number. Yo, all the Patanis watching right now are like, I didn't know, like, Pashto sounded so, African.
It does sound quite African, doesn't it?
Okay, we'll count up to 5, actually.
Yeah, let's just do 5 and then do from 5 to 10.
Okay.
So.
Yo.
Yo.
Dwa.
Dwa.
Dre.
Dre.
Salor.
Salor.
Pinza.
Pinza. So, yo, dwa, dre, salor, pinza.
That's quite good, that.
Yeah, alright. Let me say that again without, so I don't forget it. Yo, dwa, dre, salor, pinza.
Okay, don't sound so Japanese.
Oh, sorry.
Yo, dwa, dre, salor, pinza.
Yo, dwa, dre, salor, pinza.
Yeah,
okay.
Good.
Right,
okay. Spug.
Spug.
Ua.
Ua.
Ua. Ua. Ua. Ua. Ata.
Ata.
Oh shit, I didn't know 9, what is it?
Oh.
Oh my god, I completely had a blank just now. I think it's Naha. Or
okay, Naha. Naha.
Yeah.
Spug, ua, ata, naha.
Las.
Las.
Yeah.
Spug, ua, aha, nata, las.
Ua, aha, nata. Ua, aha, nata.
It sounds like a good avatar. Spug, ua.
Yeah.
Ata.
Ua. Ua.
Spug.
They're numbers, alright.
Spug, ua, ata.
Naha.
Naha.
Las. Yeah.
That's quite easy. Yo, dua, dre, salor, pinza, spug, ua, ata.
Yeah.
Nahal.
Naha.
Naha. Las.
I swear to God, I've just realised how flipping, like, indigenous the language sounds. It sounds like crazy, like tribe people.
It does sound quite... It sounds,
I just noticed.
No, but it sounds good. Okay, alright, I've learnt my numbers.
Okay.
Now teach me how to say... Teach me how to hit on you as well, like I taught you how to hit on...
The thing is, like, I don't know a way to hit on... How would you hit on a man?
But I'm not a man.
Yeah, how would you... You would have to hit on a man.
Oh, right, yeah.
Mm.
Just say, oh, hello, you're looking like a fine Pashto man.
You say, Assalamu alaikum, Aurora.
Assalamu alaikum, Aurora.
Tasu singe. That means, how are you?
Wait, say it again.
Assalamu alaikum, Aurora.
Yeah, the next bit.
Tasu singe.
Assalamu alaikum, Aurora. Tasu singe. Tasu singe.
Yeah.
Tasu singe.
And then you say, Aurora.
Aurora. I sound like I'm in
Tucho.
a sitcom.
Tucho der khwale lagi.
What does that mean?
You're looking very nice.
Say it again.
Tucho.
Yeah.
Der khwale lagi.
De quale lege.
Khwale.
Quale.
But it's a khwale.
Quale.
Khwale.
Assalamu alaikum, Aurora. Tasu singe.
That's quite good.
It's good, isn't it? Yeah. We could act in Egyptian dramas and Pashto ones.
Yeah.
Tasu de quale lege.
Yeah.
What does that mean? How are you?
No.
What does it mean?
The
Oh,
heck?
you're looking mighty fine,
Yeah,
brother.
you're looking mighty fine. That's
You're
good.
looking mighty fine, brother. Okay,
Yeah.
that was really funny.
Okay. You say, take this
Yeah.
and drink it. you'll get strong.
Oh,
Because Pathans, they're all about
They're all
eat
about-
this, you'll get strong.
yeah, so Egyptians.
Drink this, you'll get strong. Da chewala
That's tea. That's wala.
or uska.
Uska.
Taqat bada kirashi.
You know what you sound like? Like anime. It sounds like anime. You know when the narrator's like,
Yeah,
that's
that's
what it sounds like.
Ta.
Oh, ta, tea.
Yeah.
Ta.
Not ta.
Oh, ta.
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 Taqat
Takat.
badaki
Badake.
rashi.
Rashi.
Yeah.
I forgot. Fuck. Where is it? Da tat.
Tatat. Tatat.
Da chewala. Uska.
Yeah.
The dusk.
I was like egging you on this.
It's so hard. Rona. Da chewala. Uska. The dusk. Apparently I'm using a classy foreigner accent by accident, which just goes to show it's not really about the language, it's all about the tone and how you say it. It doesn't matter what you're actually saying, isn't it? It's
Yeah.
all the same tone.
So let's go from the top.
Aurora, da chai wala uska, da kat badakarashi.
That's perfect.
I did it!
Yeah.
I was sick! Great, now you have to marry me.
I already married you.
No, but you have to do it in Pashto. Ask for my hand in marriage in Pashto.
We don't do that. In Pakistan, how do they say it? I don't actually know.
How do you say, do you want to get married? Shadi.
You say Masarawadake?
Masara wadake. That's it.
No, but that's not how it's said, obviously, because that's so straightforward.
Oh, okay.
That's like, do you want to marry me? That's what I just said.
Oh, okay.
I don't know how to say it.
Well, I think I learned enough for today.
But anyways, we'll give you that. We'll give you a good pat on the back. You did very well.
Yeah, you did really well in yours and all.
I didn't do
We
well.
should actually learn it. I think I should learn Pashto and you should learn Arabic. And I think you know how we should do it.
So we have a code language.
Exactly! When we're on the tube,
When
we're
we're around the
about people.
Arabs and we want to bitch about them, we could do it in Pashto.
Pashto.
But when we're around the Pathanis, we
We
could
could
do it in Arabic.
But when we're just around everybody, we can make our own mix of Arabic and
Oh,
Pashto.
man.
Nobody would have that.
will know.
Exactly.
It's like backslang.
It'd literally be amazing.
My brain has taken too much in now.
Serious?
Well, teaching this
Can you
art.
remember anything from...
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Khudafis!